Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me, man, drop it in them. Eddie, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we are with Deva Bratt. Yes, man, Deva Bratt again with Bullilit. Oh, fuck. They got my glass, cause quite excited for that one, yeah. You know why? Cause I one of the bad one them. One of the classic bad one them. You see me? Yeah. So, we're gonna jump in the one now, quick and fast and hear what the G say. But don't be surprised if me keep pulling stop, cause when sang bad to blood clot. Yeah. When sang bad, youth, pull up that blood clot. Hey, boy, how you do, youth? Pulling it, I want to some boy. You guys keep telling me to react to West Was One, but West Was One is not a clean song. Whole heap of samples in it, and it's basically cut from a mixtape. And me can't, me not. Until me find one clean copy, me I go do it. You understand? So I could go in another one here with the GS and the man, and Bullilit. Crucial conflict, actually.
You hear me, no man? Actually. For you
want somebody that you have to pay me, no man.
Oh, look. Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and comes and guns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down. Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and comes and guns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down. I want your name Bullilit. Titanium, Teflon, tallow, tip, papa, it's seeking Bullilit. Well, if you pin on me clip from it is the clan. The click, you know you're gonna get Bullilit. Don't I'm at your corner with, full up your corner with, pierce your armor with. Yo! You hear me, no man? Actually, for you want somebody that you know have to pay me, no man. Oh, look. Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and guns and guns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down. Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and guns and guns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down. I want on your Bullilit. Titanium, Teflon, tallow, tip, papa, it's seeking Bullilit. You hear me, no man?
What to say?
Actually. For you want somebody that you know have to pay me, no man. Oh, look. Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and comes and guns.
What to say?
You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down. Send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and comes and guns. You know enough you run when you hear.
I want to for the bomber club bad people. I'm ready.
Bullilit. Titanium, Teflon, tallow, tip, papa, it's seeking Bullilit. Well, if you pin on me clip from it is the clan. The click, you know you're gonna get Bullilit. Don't I'm at your corner with, full up your corner with,
pierce your armor with Bullilit. Hey!
Gonna bust, blood a gush, and brain such a pot, panny mother dot, you won't go home.
What more can I do? What more can I do? Oh,
you know, man? Actually,
Deva Bratt, you know what's happening? Pay me, no man. All right.
Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and comes and guns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound.
Deva Bratt, you know you have to go pay me, right? Yeah, man, you have to go pay me, man.
Hey! You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down.
That one on the Bullilit. Titanium, Teflon,
tallow, tip, papa,
it's seeking Bullilit.
Well, if you pin on me clip from it is the clan. The click,
you know you're gonna get
Bullilit. Don't I'm at your corner with, full up your corner with,
pierce your armor with Bullilit. Hey!
Gonna bust, blood a gush, and brain such a pot, panny mother dot. You won't go home to your girl and go hug her up. Are you frightened for no, so you blood her up. Blood run out her body like a drink sugar bus. Plus, the Taurus, the eagle, the llama, the sugar bus. You know this never rust. You draw first, but you go get the first. Titanium, Teflon, tallow. Hear me, no man?
Again!
Actually, for you want somebody that you know have to pay me, no man. Oh, look.
Again!
Send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and guns and guns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down.
Send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds.
Silence and guns and guns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down. I want your name Bullilit. Titanium, Teflon, tallow, tip, papa, it's seeking Bullilit. Well, if you pin on me clip from it is the clan. The click,
you know you're gonna get
Bullilit. Don't I'm at your corner with, full up your corner with,
pierce your armor with
Bullilit. Hey! Gonna bust, blood a bush. I'm brain such a pot, panty mother dot. You won't go home to your girl and go hug her up. Are you frightened for news, so your blood her up. Blood run out, her body like a drink sugar bus. Plus, the Taros, the eagle, the llama, the sugar bus. You know this never us. You draw first, but are you go get the first? Tighty and young Teflon, Talophine, Talotip, Papa, eat seeking. Well, if you pin on me clip from it, is the clan, the click, you know you're gonna get. Don't I'm at your corner with, full up your corner with, pierce your armor with. Some killing to go and make it starting. Cup of shot on them up the gas body like shouting. No on a sweet me, like Ratchet about them. Mr. Madu, I go find your body when he said what them. I'm ready for your escort them, he know you can't them. Then me assault the cops them, and take off them, pose them with a stiff like them. A chill when you pass them, will you want direction and ask them. Then me return with the match.
Alright, this are the whole, this are the empire. This are empire, not Gaza. This are empire. Amelia, this are nuclear. Rhino, Dosa Medicine, Deva Bratt, Sean Storm, Cartel, and Craig Dennis. I believe Craig Dennis. I'm not sure who is this round here, so but these are the original empire.
And pose them with a stiff like them, a chill when you pass them. Will you want direction and ask them? Then me return with the matches, you know me a spark them. Stand up over them and all of us big off them. Rustic on them whenever me no want them. Rose and read and bomb them. Hey, Bullilit, tighty and young Teflon, Talophine, Talotip, Papa, eat seeking. Bullilit, well if you pin on me clip from it, is the clan, the click, you know you're gonna get. Bullilit, don't have you go.
Let me just say, if me get any of the names wrong there, so correct me in the comment section. But I'm pretty sure that's all of them.
Rose and read and bomb them. Hey, Bullilit, tighty and young Teflon, Talophine, Talotip, Papa, eat seeking. Bullilit, well if you pin on me clip from it, is the clan, the click, you know you're gonna get. Bullilit, don't have you gonna with, full up your corner with, pierce your armor with. Bullilit. Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds.
Factually. Pull it up and jump it again. Yo, Kirky vibes. I wouldn't go with them dirty vibes. Tongue in the head.
The action already now. I got action again. What more can I do? Bumbleclot. Ready again.
Yeah, me, man. Actually, for you want somebody that
Vibes
you
drum.
not pay me, man.
Vibes drum, man. Hey!
Send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and guns and guns.
Yeah.
You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound.
You know you get shot down. Hey!
Send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds.
Silence and guns and guns.
You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get shot down.
That one on him, Bullilit.
Tighty and young Teflon, Talophine, Talotip, Papa, eat seeking.
Bullilit.
Well, if you pin on me clip from it, is the clan, the click, you know you're gonna get. Bullilit. Don't have your corner with, full up your corner with.
Pierce your armor with.
Bullilit. Hey! Underbus. I'm brain such a pot, panty mother dot. You won't go home to your girl and go hug her up. Are you frightened for nose for your blood her up? Blood run out her body like a drink sugar.
Bumbleclot, man. Never mind. I have to pay me, dog. I have to pay me, G. That's all me I say.
Actually,
that's all me a Bumbleclot say.
Pay me, no man.
Listen me, man. You know how much people me pint over Deva Bratt side. You know how much people. You know what people message me and say, bro, you make me know that song. You know what people, brother.
Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and guns and guns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down. Hey, send for the guns and the 12
comment section. If for the first year hear that one, yeah, tell me in the comment section. I want that name.
Tighty and young Teflon, Talophine, Talotip, Papa, eat seeking. Well, if you pin on me clip from it, is the clan, the click, you know you're gonna get. Don't have money, you're gonna with, full up your corner with, pierce your armor with.
Bullilit. Hey! Underbus.
I'm brain such a pot, panty mother dot. You won't go home to your girl and go hug her up. Are you frightened for nose for your blood her up? Blood run out her body like a drink sugar bus. Plus, the Taros, the eagle, the llama, the sugar bus. You know this never us. You draw first, but are you go get the first? Tighty and young Teflon, Talophine, Talotip, Papa, eat seeking. Well, if you pin on me clip from it, is the clan, the click, you know you're gonna get. Don't have money, you're gonna with, full up your corner with.
Pierce your armor with. Bullilit.
Some killing to go and make it starting. Cup of shot on them up the gas body like shouting. No on a sweet me, like Ratchet about them. Mr. Madu, I go find your body when he said what them. Ready for your escort them, he know you can't them. Then me assault the cops them, and take off them, pose them with a stiff like them. A chill when you pass them, will you want direction and ask them? Then me return with the matches, you know me a spark them. Stand up over them and all of us big off them. Rustic on them whenever me no want them. Rose and read and bomb them. Hey, Bullilit, tighty and young Teflon, Talophine, Talotip, Papa, eat seeking. Bullilit, well if you pin on me clip from it, is the clan, the click, you know you're gonna get. Bullilit, don't have money, you're gonna with, full up your corner with, pierce your armor with. Bullilit. Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence and gloves and guns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You will get shot down and get straight. Tighty and young Teflon, Talophine, Talotip, Papa, eat seeking. Well, if you pin on me clip from it, is the clan, the click, you know you're gonna get. Don't have money, you're gonna with, full up your corner with, pierce your armor with. Hey, gonna bust. kush. I'm doing such a pot on the mother duck. You won't go home to your girl and go hug her up.
And your friend no say you roll her up.
Pull her run out her body like a jinx sugar bus. Plus the Taurus, the eagle, the llama, the sugar bus. You know this never rust. You draw first, but you go get the first. Titanium, Teflon, Talopine, Talotip, Kappa, it's seeking. Well, it could be on me clip from it, this decline. The click, you know you're gonna get. Don't I'm at you're gonna with. Full up your corner with. Pierce your armor with. Bullilit. From killing to go and make it starting. Copper shot on them up niggas body like shouting. No on a sweetie, like Richard about them. Miss Amado, I go find anybody by the side walk them. Ready for your scarf them, he got the uncount them. Tin me assault the cops them, and take off them. Pose them with a stick like them a chill when you pass them. Goodly one direction and ask them. Tell me return with the matches so you know me a spark them. Stand up over them and all of us big off them. Rustic on them when never been want them. Rose and read and bomb them. Hey, Bullilit, Titanium, Teflon, Talopine, Talotip, Kappa, it's seeking. Bullilit, well if you pin on me clip from it, this decline. The click you know you're gonna get. Bullilit, don't I'm at you're gonna with. Full up your corner with. Pierce your armor with. Bullilit. Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence a gobs and gowns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down. Hey, send for the guns and the 12 gauge rounds. Silence a gobs and gowns. You know enough you run when you hear a gun sound. You know you will get thrown down. I want your name. Bullilit, Titanium, Teflon, Talopine, Talotip, Kappa, it's seeking. Bullilit, well you could pin on me clip from it, this decline. The click you know you're gonna get. Bullilit, don't I'm at you're gonna with. Full up your corner with. Pierce your armor with. Bullilit.
What more can I fucking do? What more do I want me do over here? What more do I want me bumbuckler do over this? Eh? What more? I'm telling you something though. I'm telling you something what me want to do. I'm going to the analytics, big word. Blood clot, analytics, find a big word. I'm going to the analytics of the channel. And I see 73% of people who watch the content and don't subscribe. Why not subscribe, bro? What on the day I watch every day, dog? It not take nothing from on the day and just hit the subscribe button, you know, brother. Come on. It's free. It's not costing nothing. You're not paying a monthly fee. You're not paying a one-off fee. It's free. Just help a brother out. Look how many days I go to content day in, day out. One of the things that me not have other things we got to do. Me have other things we got to do, you know. But guess what? We take the time out to forward your son. I could be right there streaming. Take the time out to forward your son. Only just like when people beg. But me ask you, I'm not begging them, I ask you. Only can hit the subscribe button for me, please. And build up the number a bit. Come on, man. Anyway, big up yourself, Deva Bratt. Bumbo clap. Bullilit. This is one of my favorite Deva Bratt tracks. I took long to react to it on purpose. Yes. But let me know how much I want to hear this for the first time. You see me? Yes. This I'm gonna do. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more. You know what to do, man. Click on any one of them two videos for more Deva Bratt reaction. Alright? Bullilit. Hey!
Actually, factually, put them on jump it again. Yo, Kirky vibes. I want to go with them dirty vibes. Tongue in the mid. Jamaica's verse gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing star. If them disrespect and check say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.